In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix the Rockstar Games online services are not available right now issue or the failed to update user verification data problem in GTA Online. Start by opening your browser and searching for Rockstar Games. Once you find the official Rockstar Games website, navigate to the customer support section. On the Rockstar Games support page, select GTA 5. You'll see a dashboard with different options like installation, performance, and connectivity. Click on the connectivity to check if there are any server issues. Choose PC or your relevant platform to check the server status for GTA 5. If you see a red dot next to the service, it means there is a problem with the Rockstar Games server or GTA 5 servers. If the server is down, simply wait a while and check again later. When the status turns green, it indicates the server is back online and you should be able to enter GTA Online. If the server status is fine and you are still facing issues, it might be related to your internet connection. Perform an internet speed testing using Google to check if you are properly connected. And that's it. These are the steps to fix the Rockstar Games online services are unavailable right now issue in GTA Online.